on the bottom here, there's always, I don't know why they have those lip here, but always get these little black dots. So you always want to make sure when you scrub, there's a lip, make sure you get under it so you can get all the nooks and crannies. If you just do it here, you're not going to get the whole sink. Take the soft side, put it on top, and I scrub it like I did the countertop in the kitchen. You always want a good amount of pressure when you're using a sponge. I'll take a little water, rinse off. Not too much because you don't want it to spill everywhere. But just take a little bit of water. And get my paper towel. Dry everything. A quick little rinse.